Oil and gas pipeline networks can stretch for tens of thousands of miles along coastlines, through forests, mountain ranges, and across expansive plains. However, natural and man-made activities with the potential to compromise the integrity of the pipelines are numerous and complex. When these threats go undetected, incidents on pipeline networks can and do occur, leading to explosions, spills, injuries, and fatalities. Despite advances in technology, pipeline right-of-way inspection practices over the decades have remained mostly unchanged and are dominated by uninstrumented aerial patrol flights that attempt to spot threats by eye. Even with a heroic level of effort, they simply cannot spot all issues due to subjectivity, fatigue, and lack of documentation. That's why American Aerospace Technologies has developed InstiMaps automated threat detection system for pipeline patrol. InstiMaps is a digital upgrade to aerial patrol flights that combines onboard cameras with instantaneous AI to detect and relay threats in near real time, enabling threats to be intercepted before they become incidents. It works like this. InstiMaps can be added to most standard patrol aircraft in a matter of hours. With the digital upgrade complete, damage prevention staff take to the skies knowing they have sensors and AI to back them up. During flight, a sophisticated camera system takes images of the right-of-way that are instantly geolocated. AI then scans the imagery to determine whether any threats are present, such as third-party machinery, construction, active farming and logging, flooding, and fires. Threats are relayed via onboard communications to the Damage Prevention Department and other authorized users on PC and mobile devices. The pipeline operator can then decide whether to intervene and create a work order for an emergency site visit. InstiMaps technology provides results that are dependable, immediate, and auditable. InstiMaps also delivers post-flight threat reports of all threats detected, as well as mosaic image layers of the entire patrol. Ultimately, this improves patrol detection rates, prevents incidents, and helps us all to sleep at night. InstiMaps is deployed at scale and quickly become the go-to technology for enhanced pipeline safety, and is immediately compatible with the American Aerospace AI Ranger unmanned aircraft, which is undergoing type certification for routine beyond visual line of sight pipeline patrol. Contact American Aerospace today to learn how other oil and gas companies are detecting threats before they become incidents.